Hello everyone, welcome to another Go High Level video tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to design emails in Go High Level. Now, before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial down below on Go High Level. If you click the link down below, this is for everyone that is watching this video particularly. So let's get started with the tutorial. How can you design emails in Go High Level? Now, first of all, what we need to do is we need to switch to a sub account from our agency view, and you can choose whatever sub account you want. I will choose a sub account for my gym client right here. And what we need to do is we need to go to marketing section, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. And here, as you can see, you have email and then you have templates and campaigns. But let's just click on emails here, just so I can show you. And here are all the email campaigns. So these are all the emails that you are sending to other people or other clients or whatever you're doing, right? These are all the campaigns. So here you can actually go and you can delete, you can archive campaigns, and you can also create new campaigns, right? So we can also go to templates here, which will be templates for your emails. This is where you can design emails in Go High Level. So first of all, you can go and create a template here. And as you can see, you have a design editor or you have a code editor. Code editor is more, bare bone editor, more like how would I say, editor where you get all the basic stuff. But if you want more advanced stuff for your email to look good, to look visually good, and to have like drag and drop editing, then this is the best choice for you. I would always recommend this one if you want to design your email yourself, rather than this one, which is a more newsletter type thing. So let's just click here, select. Okay, now that we are here, we can actually start designing our tutorial template, right? So as you can see, I already changed the color here. You can actually change the color of the appearance. You can do that by going here into the template, then you have background color. However, I'll just go and leave it at white just for this sake of this tutorial. But let's just go and add elements. Here you can add elements. As you can see, we have drop content here, so we can drop a text here. Right here, this is going to be heading, right? Now we can click on the heading. We can obviously, rename the heading, for example, welcome to our email. Then you can say here something like, December 30, 2023. Let's say like this. This is just an example, guys. So then what we want to do is we want to add an image. We can obviously add image under it. So we can go here and we can go here and then upload an image from media library, or we can create an image using AI, which is great. So let's create an image using AI if we can. Here, as you can see, we can describe a style. Let's say we want something like, for example, we are selling sneakers. So white sneakers with discount. Let's just do it like that. Number of variations, I don't know, 2 variations. It can be animated, colorful, animated. Let's do animated. I think animated is good. Yeah, let's generate this right here. Obviously, we will need to wait for this generation to happen. But as you can see, we have a couple of variations here. This one is actually pretty good. So let's just go with this one. Let's continue. And as you can see, we have our image right here, which is very cool, guys. So we can center it. We can make it smaller. We can make it even like bigger here if we want. We can link. We can make a link to the sneakers. So whenever someone clicks on sneakers, they will be able to reach a link. So you also do that. Then we also have button. We can add a button down below, for example, like this one. This can also lead to some other links. You can also change the color of the button as well to the for example, this one. So I'm just showing you guys how you can design emails. Then we have footer. For example, footer can be right here. This can be a footer for you, for your email. Then what else? We have logo. Logo can be like at the top. So let's just go at the top. Oh, let's just go here. This is how you can actually, yeah. And then what we can also do, we have image, button, social, video. Okay. That's pretty much it for now. I mean, you can also add like shopping carts, codes, videos, You can also add videos like here, and then add a video here, which is great, video thumbnail and stuff like that. But that's pretty much, you know, how you can actually get started with it, right? So if we go back here, let me just show you this quickly. We actually have email templates, and then we have new, and then we have email marketing templates here. So actually you can get started with email marketing templates that are already pre-existed here, and you can actually go and just click on it. Let's just click on one, and you can design them that way. It's really great if you want to save some time, and if you don't want to design everything yourself, this can save you a lot of time as well. So as you can see, we are right now here, and as you can see, we can change everything. We can change the image here, we can change the text, we can change the buttons, stuff like that. We can also, you know, resize this as well. Not just that, but we can also change the image or the color behind the image. So you get the point. This is basically you know, an Outlook, how you can actually design emails in GoHighLevel. It's a very simple Outlook. If you want a more complicated tutorial, I can create one, but I don't think it's needed for the bare bones structure of an email. So again, if you want to try this yourself for free on GoHighLevel for 30 days, you actually have a 30-day free trial down below in the link in the description. And this is for everyone that is watching this video. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.